Hi, good morning. It's Paul. It's February 11th, 2019. Let's see what's new on the market today. I guess we haven't looked at it since Friday. So we'll just go back a few days here. Get that. Okay, today. Lowest priced property is a condo, 1,100 square feet, over on Buffalo for $169,900. Oh, looks pretty clean. Yep, pretty clean. Stainless and white. Looks like it's freshly repainted and carpeted. Looks like a decent property to have for $169,000. A nice pool, gated. That's pretty nice. Buffalo. Where are we looking right now? Lake Mead and Buffalo. Okay, up there. Internet's running a little bit slow. I'm having to use my hotspot. The wireless is down in the office here for some reason. Okay, so here we go. This is the highest price today, $630,000, 3,000 square feet, 1 story. It's good. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, 1 story with lots of steps going to the front door. Not really, but looked like it. Pretty nice. Tall ceilings. Good kitchen. And it is Desert Inn and File over there. Another one over there. Okay. Summerlin area. Okay. Then yesterday, manufactured home, 79 built, 1344, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Decent shape it looks like. Carport, of course. Ooh, backs looks like it's had better days. So they took off the covered patio on deck there. So you walk out the sliding glass door and boom. Walk out that door and go boom too. That's interesting. Huh. Wonder what they did. Half of it's kind of a mess. Looks like they're in the middle of rehabbing it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Maybe it's a foreclosure or something. Kind of a mess here. Trying to sell the finished product. No kitchen. Oh, this is a cash only deal. Let's see here. What did it do? Investor special. Cash only, of course. Nothing else there. Somebody just ran out of money, it looks like to me. Let's see. Okay, so this is over on DI and Nellis. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's go to the next one here. Got $1,095,000. What do we got here? 1 story home. $1,000,000, huh? $1,001,000 almost. Nice pavers everywhere. Nice bar. They throw in all the alcohol too. Theater room. Wonder if there's an outdoor area. 50 pictures. We got, yeah, pool and spa. Here. It's not showing me all the. I just didn't want to go through all of those pictures to try to find them all. Let's see. Good outdoor living. Oh, that is nice. Again, my internet's running slow because I'm tethered. Okay, well, I'm not going to worry about that crap. Anyway, it's a nice house. .404 area. Okay, Summerlin. Okay. And on Saturday, looks like 77,000, 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo. Basic rental unit. Looks pretty clean. Tropicana and Eastern, not too bad. $765 was the most expensive one 2 days ago. So it was Sunday. Vibrant greenery. Nice outside area. Another Summerlin property. A lot of those are going on the market. Whoops, let me go back. Right here. This is 3 days ago, so that was Friday. Let's see. 2.8. Okay. Alright, we're on Vegas Valley. Pretty clean though. Looks like it was just refurbished. Okay, and Vegas Valley Drive is right down by the strip. Right there by Fremont Street. So it's a nice place. I don't know if that's true or not. I don't see a Vegas Valley Drive there. I think that's mapped incorrectly. It should be someplace else. Interesting. Okay. And 3-day thing. is it here? 4.79 million or 75 million. Nice picture. I'm on here for 10.5 minutes already. A lot of stuff going on apparently. Huh. What that's all about. World champion. Let's see whose property this is. Let me see here. That's done a residential and it doesn't tell us anything. Church. Boxes. Doesn't tell us when. Who. Just a cherish 3-time WBA. Okay. Okay, sold 188. A couple of them reported already this morning. Doesn't look like there's been a whole lot of high-end properties, lower-end properties. There's a 1.3 million, 1.3 million. A couple of those closed. The rest of them are pretty lower priced. And then, better hurry up here, 11.5, almost 12 minutes. We've got, oh, look at this. Boy, under contract has really dropped off. 326 under contract. Interesting. Look at that. Active. The market is making some adjustments. 10,850, and just a little while, not too long ago, we were down at 7,400 a year ago. Whew. Okay.